I have made the setting for radius on the workpiece. Let's start it. You can follow my blog at cncskill.wordpress.com for more information. So the spindle is started, and now we will see the tool path. So Z is at 1. Now it will go at, the X will go at 96. Then Z will go at 0 here. Now this is the radius code, that is anti-clockwise radius. However, on the software it is showing clockwise, but on the machine it is anti-clockwise. This is the final radius, and now we will move our tool back.